Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the construction of the new Carreras building by the 876 complex in St. Catherine. Now this complex is probably one of the nicest in Jamaica. It's a commercial complex. This is where you find a lot of warehouses. So this is right off Mandela Highway, this complex. So it gives you access to all the major highways in Jamaica. It's a perfect location. And if you notice, a lot of these business warehousing complexes are going up beside the highway. That because it gives you easy access. The Diamond Hub down in Maypen, same thing. By the Diamond Interchange in Maypen, can get on the highway and head anywhere in Jamaica. So Carreras is building this warehouse facility. The upper floors will be their office and the ground floor will be their warehouse. Carreras has the franchise basically to bring cigarettes into the country. Very well run company basically. So this is their new location. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour and we will keep you updated on this construction. It's not finished yet, but as you can see, it's very close. It should finish sometime this year. And beside it is a call center, and then in front of the call center is another warehouse that's being built. A lot of warehouses are going up in this area. It's ideal. This development was actually built for warehouses. It's 94 acres and it's built for warehouses. The one in Maypen, the Diamond Hub, is actually 118 acres, so they're getting bigger. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.